Good morning, dear listeners. Hope you all are well. Dear listeners, we are doing chapter 11 direction, and in this chapter, we have read about the compass. Compass is an instrument that shows direction, and there are four cardinal points on the compass. You can see here यहाँ पर four cardinal points हैं और जो compass है हमें क्या शो करती है डायरेक्शन शो करती है ठीक है I have also explained you about the four directions north, east, south, west. And if we don't have a compass, but we can take the help of sun, because we all know the sun rises in the east in the morning and set in the west in the evening. The hand of the compass always point to the north, and from that point we can locate the other directions. Why do we need to understand direction? As I explained you, direction tell us how to reach a place, means destination, without getting lost on the way. It also tell us the exact location of different places, building, object, and even our classroom in the school building. But in the earlier time, how the sailor found the way at the sea. In the earlier time, the sailor at sea followed the movement of the sun during the day and the star at night for direction. And the North Star stayed at a fixed position all night for allowing sailors to follow it. So, dear student, hope you understand the about the directions. Now I will take the exercise of this lesson, which is given on page number 73. Something to know. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. What helps us to reach our destination without getting lost? What helps us to reach our destination without getting lost? Option A, watch. Option B, directions. Option C, calendar. So as I explained you, the directions help us to reach our destination without getting lost. So we will take the option B, because this is the right answer. Now question number 2. In which direction does the sun set in the evening? In which direction does the sun set in the evening? Option A, west. Option B, south. Option C, north. So dear student, what is the right answer? Yes, it's A, west. So we will take the option A, because we all know sun rises in the east and sets in the west. यहाँ पे सेट की बात की है, कहाँ सेट होता है? वेस्ट में. Now question number 3. The old Chinese invention that help us to locate direction is the old Chinese invention that helps us to locate direction is A, protractor. B, scale. C, compass. So right answer is yes, option C. The old Chinese invention that help us to locate direction is a compass. जैसे हमने बताया है कि किसने इन्वेंट किया है? चाइनीज ने कंपास को इन्वेंट किया है, ठीक है, डायरेक्शन लोकेट करने के लिए. The next is, if you are going for Gujarat to Assam, then in which direction are you traveling? ठीक है, ये बोल रहे हैं अगर आप गुजरात से असम की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो आपको बताना है कि कौन सी डायरेक्शन में हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. ऑप्शन ए ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट नॉर्थ टू साउथ. फाइन. एंड नेक्स्ट इज west to east. So what is the right answer? Yes, is C, west to east. क्योंकि हमें पता है गुजरात कहाँ पर है, वेस्ट में, और असम कहाँ है, ईस्ट की साइड है. ठीक है, हमने इंडियन पॉलिटिकल मैप पे देखा है गुजरात हमारे वेस्ट में है और असम क्या है, ईस्ट में. तो हम कहाँ को ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं, हम गुजरात से असम जा रहे हैं तो गुजरात वेस्ट में है तो वेस्ट से ईस्ट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. राइट आंसर क्या है हमारे पास, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस एक्सरसाइज बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. सो हियर इज अ हेल्प बॉक्स फॉर अस, जहाँ पे ऑप्शन हमें दिए गए हैं, हमने करेक्ट चूज करके यहाँ पर आंसर लिखना है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में. फर्स्ट इज वी कॉमनली यूज the word left dash and behind for direction. We commonly use the word left and right. So we will write right here RIGHT, right, and behind directions. Okay, for behind directions. Next, the invention of dash has made it easy for everyone to understand directions. The invention of dash has made it easy for everyone to understand direction. So the answer is compass. So we will write compass here, COMPASS. Compass. Next, number 3, the sun rises in the morning in the, easy question, east. पता है इसका आंसर ईस्ट है तो we will write east, EAST, east. The sun rises in the morning in the east. Now the fourth is north direction is opposite of dash. So north direction is opposite of dash. As we know कि north के opposite में क्या होता है हमारे पास, south होता है. क्या होता है, south. Right answer is south. So we will tick south here और यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम south, 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 south. Now the next one is the dash of a compass always point to N. N means, yes, north direction. The dash of a compass always point to N. Answer is hand. So we will write hand here, HAND, 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 hand. So dear student, here we have done exercise A and B. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we will discuss the next exercise of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.